Yo, what is up, streamers and content creators? It is Brady here. Just had myself another successful stream yesterday, and I was going and clipping my clips that I got from Twitch, and I thought to myself, why not make a video showing you guys how I do it for completely free online without a use of a video editor, no DaVinci, no Premiere Pro, like I said, all completely free. Now, for the website we are going to be talking about, there is a paid version, which I think is incredibly worth it. You can schedule posts and do way more different settings, but we will actually show you guys the free version as well and what that comes with. So if you guys feel like supporting this video, make sure you guys drop a like, and if you want to support me, go ahead and follow me on Twitch and also subscribe on YouTube. Helps a lot, and I'm also going to be sending tons of more tutorials your way. I literally have a list of like 40 video ideas that I need to get done. So we're going to have tons of good information on this channel for growing your streams and setting them up. So the website we're going to be using is actually called Streamladder. There is a link in the description for you guys to use. So go ahead and click on that and you will be brought to this screen. Now what you're going to have to do is go to the top right and actually sign in with your Twitch or your YouTube. Once you have your account linked, you will see a screen that looks exactly like this. So probably my favorite thing about Streamladder is the fact that they just take your clips from Twitch. These are clips that I actually already have from Twitch that I didn't actually make into vertical content yet. So we're going to go ahead. This was 20 hours ago from my last stream. And you guys can see that I actually already have some saved templates here. So like I have Smash Clips gameplay, XYZ, and again, some of these are going to be premium, but a couple of them are actually not premium. I believe small face cam is not, and like full screen and blurred, they are free. I actually already have a saved template, but for the sake of this video, we're just going to go ahead and do it one more time. So let's say that I want, a split cam, or yeah, we'll say split cam. Why not? Go ahead and click on split cam. It's going to ask you to select what fit your face cam area is. So I'm going to go ahead and crop that out now. And then it's going to ask for the gameplay feed. Now, this gameplay feed isn't really that big, especially for Smash Bros. If I wanted to actually make it a little bit nicer, I would probably go ahead and use something different. So maybe like a small face cam. Let's try with a small face cam. Alright, you can see that I can still select every single little bit of the camera here. And then look, the gameplay is way bigger. Now, I actually did have my face cam covering a lot of the screen for this stream, but if I go ahead and hit edit video, you will see that there you have it. You have my gameplay and my small camera. Now, here's where that premium version comes in. I'm pretty sure you can still add text on the free version, but you can't get these stickers. So, for example, you have this, Brady Rupes follow me sticker right here. Yeah, you can't get that unless you use the silver edition, which is going to be $5 a month. But if you are constantly streaming and you constantly need clips to be made, I highly recommend getting this. It's online, it's free, it doesn't take much time at all. Plus, you can schedule your posts with the gold edition, which again, we'll get into in a little bit. But another one of my favorite features is these captions right here. So you can go ahead and hit this, and you can actually auto-generate captions. Now, obviously, sometimes with the auto-generation, the words are going to be off and whatever. But with this, you don't even have to make the captions yourself, and they're completely made, which is obviously going to keep viewer retention on things like TikTok, where people don't want to sit and watch your clip if it's too boring. So this is going to kind of make it a little bit faster, as you can see. It's actually already, editing this, and it already has the captions completely done. So then you just want to go to output. With the free edition, you can only do 720p. I'm telling you, there's not much of a difference, and I use the free version for months. So if you guys don't have the bread like that, it's completely fine and completely understandable. It should be a-okay regardless. And here you go. You can see actually some safe zones for like YouTube Shorts and TikTok and whatnot, so you know what's going to be seen and what's not. But next, all you have to do is actually click render clip. Again, that's going to be in 720. And with the gold plan, you can just start converting as many as you want with ease. I mean, like, with the free version, you may have to wait for this to load, and it still does take less than 5 minutes. I would say anything around 1 to 3 minutes to actually edit completely. But by going to my videos here, you can see all the ones that I've clipped already. So this is an example of what I would do if I wanted to publish one. I would just go to publish, and then you can see that I'm sharing this to YouTube and TikTok. Now, for people who have the free edition, again, you're just going to have to click this one, download clip, and then you can go ahead and edit it and throw it up yourself. You don't even really need to edit it. You really just need to post it to TikTok and give it a title and a description. But for the people who want to use the higher plans, you can automatically share it to TikTok and YouTube, and again, you can schedule it. So that is the most beautiful thing about this, I'm not going to lie, is the scheduling. I use it literally all the time. You got content publisher right here, so you can literally see when I've actually scheduled posts. So today I got 3 scheduled, and then I got 1 for tomorrow. And these are going to go instantly to my YouTube Shorts and my TikTok without me doing anything. It took me literally 5 minutes to schedule like 7 clips. So this is super crucial for growing your Twitch as well. You have to be posting vertical content on these apps. You know, people are all over TikTok, YouTube Reels, and everything. It's just going to give you more explorability. And even if they don't follow or subscribe, if they just see your face and then they see you down the line, they might be like, wow, I actually know this guy. I remember watching his videos. It's super, super important that you guys get on the vertical hype train because they're not going anywhere. TikTok's not going anywhere. All these big companies are doing these shorts or these infinite feed things, so you got to hop on that yourself. So guys, here's a perfect example of one right here that I've automatically posted to TikTok without anything. I mean, literally without using anything but Streamladder. I didn't do much, and it actually even made these emojis and like the highlighted text for me completely free. So yeah, if that interests you guys, like I said, link is in the description. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. I hope you guys found it helpful. If you guys know any other better ways that you want me to cover for vertical content, make sure you drop them below. And if you have any questions or video ideas for me for Twitch and your streaming, please drop it in the comments below. But that is going to do it for this video. Hope you guys have a fantastic day, and thank you guys for watching Brady. Peace.